going to be talking about how to add a calendar in Primavera P6. Before I go further, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be sharing more tips and guides on using Primavera P6. So firstly, before adding a calendar into Primavera, we open up a project. And I'll be doing that from the menu bar. So we'll go to File, Menu, Open, and then click on LogiKal Projects, which is our project for today. And then you click the Open tab. So the next thing is I'll go to the menu bar again and click on Enterprise, which is the fifth option on the menu bar. Click on that, and then you click on the drop-down menu bar, which it shows, and the 13th option, Calendars. So if you notice on our window, newly opened window, you've got the global, you've got the resource, and you've got projects, radio buttons. So for global is the calendar to be used by the entire organization. Resource is for a particular resource to be a particular resource in the organization. It could be the project manager, it could be the site manager, project engineers, or whatever resource that will be used by the projects. And the last one is the project's calendar. So this calendar will be used by the entire projects, in which case is called, this case is called LogiKal Projects. So we click on that and we click the Add button. It will bring up a window called the Select Calendar to copy from window. And on this window, we've got various numbers of options. So we've got the new calendar, 37.5-hour work week, 4 to 10-hour days work week, 7 days work week calendar, and also the standard 5-day work week calendar. But because LogiKal Projects works to the standard 5-day work week calendar, we'll be selecting that option. So you click on the standard 5-day work week calendar and you click on the Select button. So in the calendar window type, we then type the name for the calendar, in which case it will be called LogiKal Projects. We then click the Modify button. If you look at this project's calendar now, which is called LogiKal Projects, it's giving us a number of options on here. We've got the total work hours, days, and also the detailed work hour windows. But today we're just going to be talking about the total work hours / days windows. And on here, we've got the month, which is the month of May. So we can choose to start our project on in a different month in the year 2022, or we could start it in a different year. So it's got various options. But for today, we're going to leave it as the month of May. And today's date being the 1st of May. Then if you look on the right-hand side on my window, we've also got the work, we've also got the non-work, we've also got the work week. For today, we'll be focusing solely on the work week, which is that one. And then we've got the calendar weekly hours. In this case, because we have chosen to go with the 5-day work week calendar, we've got in LogiKal, we go by 8 hours per day week, working week. We've got 8 hours in each of Monday to Friday tabs. But if in some cases we need to work on Saturdays, then all we need to do is just change that day to whatever hours we need to work on that day. Could be 10 or 12 hours. But for today, we'll leave it as just no work on Saturdays. And then we click the OK button. We also have time periods here, which could change to 8 hours per day for each time period, or 40 hours per week. 472 hours per month or 2,000 hours per year. So because we're focusing solely on the working week, which is 40 hours per week for LogiKal, so we'll leave it as just the standard work week. At the bottom here, so here we have the standard work week. We have also non-week, and we also have exceptions. Exceptions will be like the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, which is coming up, and then we can select that to change whatever our working calendar is going to be like. At the bottom here, you've got inherit holidays and exceptions from global calendar. So because we're using the 5-day standard work week, it's inherited everything that is on the global calendar. So we click on OK, and our calendar is ready to be used. So to test this out, I'll go to one of the activities here. And if you look at the activity detail window, which is at the bottom, you've got various tabs on here. In this case, I will select the general tab and then go to activity calendar and then click on the option window, which is right at the bottom here, and then select the project's calendar. If you notice on the select activity calendar, we only have the global calendar here. So you click on the display drop-down button, and then you click the project's calendar, and then you select OK. And that automatically changes that particular activity to using the LogiKal projects calendar. Thank you for listening. And if you like more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.